On May 12, 2018, Graham Construction, along with our trade partners, successfully completed the largest pour in Graham Construction's 92-year history. According to local concrete companies, the raft slab for the Canada Royal Milk project was the largest pour in Kingston's history. Round-the-clock pouring started at 6 a.m. Saturday with over 50 trucks, making 476 trips between 4 concrete plants, and pouring almost 22 million pounds of concrete during a 20-hour period. Ultimately, 4,289 cubic meters of concrete were poured by 2 a.m. A continuous pour of this size saves time and prevents quality issues, but requires months of diligent planning and a collaborative commitment by all project stakeholders. By focusing on safety and planning the activities to eliminate risks, Graham executed this pour with no safety incidents. Drive-through washout pits to eliminate concrete trucks from backing up without signalmen, structural wire mesh on the slab, lighting plans, and traffic flow plans were all identified during a detailed risk assessment to ensure a safe work environment for our people and our business partners. Our trade partners Gordon Bar Limited, Modern Niagara, Alliance Forming, and Kimco Steel worked extremely hard to ensure the pour date was met. Our concrete supplier, Lafarge, developed a contingency plan that included 2 backup plants and standby fleet and plant maintenance personnel. Truck routes and timing were all factored in, with drivers relaying traffic conditions to ensure the most efficient route was traveled. Owner's representative J.L. Richards, quality personnel from Lafarge, and our third-party inspectors, Cambium, worked continuously in the plant and on-site to ensure compliance to the design requirements. The result was no rejected concrete and 100% compliance on all brake tests for concrete strength. Northfleet Concrete Floors' state-of-the-art placing and finishing equipment greatly reduced the number of placers, as well as the potential of repetitive stress injuries by using Somero power rakes and power screeds. Placing equipment eliminated almost all the raking, hand screeding, and shoveling traditional placing requires. Northfleet ensured there was redundancy on all essential equipment, with 4 61-meter concrete pumps from Pumpcrete and backed up by 2 52-meter pumps on standby. Successful projects are the result of strong partnerships and effective collaboration between all stakeholders. Graham thanks our trade partners who worked tirelessly both before and during the pour to ensure work was done safely while maintaining the highest level of quality for our client Fahey. Thank you for supporting Graham's values of commitment, integrity, and reliability.